Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Farming 4.0. In today's video, we have some exciting content that you're going to love. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Let's get started. The first step towards a successful orchard is choosing the perfect location for planting apple trees. Apples need plenty of light to develop properly, so make sure to select a well-lit spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. The soil should be fertile and well-drained to prevent water accumulation that could damage the roots. Once you've chosen the ideal location, the next step is preparing the soil. Dig holes about 50 centimeters deep and 60 centimeters wide, large enough to accommodate the tree's roots without crowding them. Mix the removed soil with compost or organic fertilizers to improve the soil's fertility and structure. Now comes the most exciting part, the actual planting of the apple trees. Place the roots in the hole, making sure that the root collar, the point where the trunk meets the roots, is at ground level. Cover the roots with the prepared soil, gently compacting it to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly immediately after planting to help the roots settle and start absorbing nutrients from the soil. As the trees grow, an essential part of their maintenance is spraying to remove pests that could affect supermarket quality standards. This is not just a necessary task, but a true art of gardening. Imagine your orchard full of healthy trees, with branches heavy with perfect apples. To achieve this ideal, it is crucial to protect the trees from harmful insects and diseases that can compromise their health. Tree spraying should be done strategically at key stages of their development. Spring, when buds begin to open, and fall, after harvest, are ideal times to apply the necessary treatments. There are many solutions available, from organic insecticides to environmentally friendly biological products. Choose the right solution for the type of pests and the developmental stage of the trees. Regular spraying not only protects the fruit, but also contributes to the vigorous growth of the trees. Constantly monitor the condition of the trees and adjust treatments as needed. A healthy tree is much more resistant to pests and diseases, and its fruits will surely meet the high standards of supermarkets. As the plants reach maturity, the magic of harvesting begins, where technology meets nature. Instead of exhausting manual labor, we use special harvesting machines that make the process fast, efficient, and fascinating to watch. Imagine fields full of ripe plants ready for harvest. Now, enter the scene with modern machines, true marvels of agricultural technology. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and precise navigation systems that allow harvesting at the perfect moment, ensuring the best quality products. These machines not only harvest the plants, but also sort them, ensuring that only the best fruits reach supermarket shelves. With astonishing speed, they can cover entire hectares in a single day, saving valuable time and resources. For farmers, using these machines means a richer and cleaner harvest, reducing losses and increasing efficiency. Additionally, they reduce physical effort, allowing farmers to focus on other important aspects of cultivating and maintaining the orchard. Harvesting technology represents the future of agriculture, combining tradition with innovation to ensure we have delicious and healthy apples on our tables. Once the plants are harvested by our advanced machines, a new fascinating journey begins. Their path to factories and ultimately to the shelves of stores. Immediately after harvest, the fruits are transported to specialized factories where they undergo a rigorous sorting process to ensure quality. With the help of technology, each fruit is analyzed to ensure that only the best ones make it to market. This process not only maintains high standards, but also reduces waste, ensuring efficient use of resources. After sorting, the fruits are sent to various processing sections. Here, they're washed, cleaned, and carefully packaged, using modern methods that preserve freshness and nutritional value. Packaging technology is designed to protect the fruits throughout transportation to supermarkets, ensuring they reach consumers in the best condition. Finally, the packaged fruits are distributed to supermarket chains, ready to be purchased and enjoyed. Every step, from harvest to store shelf, is designed to ensure the quality and freshness of the products, meeting the expectations of even the most discerning consumers. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.